welcome guys. Finally another vlog. A lot of stuff was going on, a lot of stuff that kept me busy doing a lot of different things, but today we are back at Driftcup at Anneau du Rhin. Alright guys, I'm about to head into qualification. We're Group B, so second one is up, that's up. I hope the sun isn't too far down so it's getting into my eyesight. Yeah, let's hope for the good stuff. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Feeling okay? Been better, been worse, so we'll see. Should be okay. We'll get there. Good morning. So we are in the big show. Qualified 8th with a 78 or 77 point run, which was the first safe one. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, but maybe I'll get somebody who filmed it from the outside. It was decent, was a safe run, so there would have been most probably more in it. I tried to do more in the second one, but pushed too hard. So yeah, right now just warming up the car. Doing some fluid checks, get on the race suit, and we're gonna head out for practice. Alright, let's go. Guys, yeah, as you've seen, we've been at the Driftcup, back in the shop already. It's been a minute since we are back. It was quite some busy times since then. I want to do a quick rundown on what happened, how the car performed and so on, so you know what happened. As you've seen, we qualified 8th, which was quite decent, with a 77 or a 78 point run, which was the safe run, so there was definitely more in it. But in the second run I spun out, I went too hard. So yeah, the 77 or 78 was what it was, and we qualified 8th. So that put us up into the top 32. I had some practice in the morning on Sunday before competition. The car was kind of starting to bog up a little bit. Between 4,000 and 5,000 RPM it always sputtered. So yeah, I switched out the coils and the spark plugs, but it didn't change, so I'm still not quite sure what happened. So yeah, practice was so-so. I really didn't like how I drove there, so I had like not such a good feeling. It was really hot. It was like 33 degrees Celsius outside, and with the tarmac and all that it felt quite a lot more, and inside the car with all the safety gear obviously it felt like 100 degrees Celsius. I was kind of melting in there. So yeah, I got into top 32. I was leading, warmed up my tires, got ready, went into the first corner, maybe a little bit faster than I used to because I wanted to go. And I just got into the grass in the first left-hander with my rear wheels. I tried to catch it yeah, it spun me around the other way and I just went straight into the gravel trap, really far. I'm driving at that track for probably like 10 years now, and I've never ever been that far into the gravel trap, so yeah, it is what it is. I went far in there at quite high speed, probably like 160-ish, while entering that corner, kilometers per hour that is. Yeah, went really deep. I was kind of like, yeah, don't roll over, safe. Yeah, so was an odd feeling going that fast into the gravel, but turned out to be okay. As you can see, there's some damage to the car, fenders, side skirts. I'm actually amused on how good the fenders are still looking from how far I went into the gravel trap. The fenders were, instead of this, they were showing like this when I looked out the car. As you can see, I went really fast. A lot of stones in the wheels, locked up in there. There's more in the front. As you can see, everything is dirty. The front lip, the carbon front lip went MIA. Yeah, that light is gone. Here you can see the fender cracked. This skirt, it's not as hard plastered as the other one, but it's also fucked. Yeah, other than that, yeah, it's okay. We'll have to sort out the engine issue, because next race in August at the Nürburgring we'll definitely need all the 500 horsepower we have in the car. Other than that, it was doing good. The Wisefab front steering rack kit is doing its job quite good. I think it feels a little bit odd while driving straight because I have quite a lot to tow out to make it more agile on the front. But it performed well. We'll have to go over the specs, see how it changed, if something moved. During the weekend, the motor mounts got loose quite often. I retightened those. Fluids was okay. I didn't drop any water. I didn't use any oil. Power steering was okay. So all of that was fine. Brakes, there's a small issue with the brakes. I think the brake master, something up here, went a little hot during practice and competition, so the brakes faded slightly. So yeah, but these are the main issues we have with the car right now. We have to sort out the body a little bit, get a new fender light in there. I have replacement skirts already here, have to get them painted. We'll see what we do about the fenders, about the lip. The lips are quite expensive at this point due to delivery problems and so on, so we'll see what we do there. We had the carbon fiber on there, but it went, I crashed it horribly, so yeah, that one's gone. The FRPs are not available right now, so we'll see. But we should be fine. Yeah, right now we are trying to diagnose the problem on the engine and see what's what. I'll try to pull some data from the drift bit. Let me show you this little bad boy, which gives you telemetry. We'll also have to switch out oils, as we do after every race, after every competition. Go through the whole car, nuts and bolts check. I already put it back on the hoist to look underneath the car. Yeah, so that's about that on what's going on with the car right now and how the Driftcup ended. All in all, it was a fun event. I had my family out there first time with the kids and so on, so it was a different experience, but it was a lot of fun. I hope next time at the Nürburgring I have some more of my guys out there from my team to help out in the pits, that was a bit stressful at points, and if there would have been more issues, it would have definitely could have ruined the experience. But it was fun. Driftcup always nice, a lot of friends, a lot of people I know, a lot of French guys, a lot of Swiss guys in there, some German people coming along the way. Yeah, some people you might also know from wherever, from the drifting scene and so on. So yeah, that's the wrap up on the Driftcup. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you need any parts, cars, or want to drive, hit us up. We got events coming up. We got parts coming in from Japan all the time. We have cars available to us. There's some nice ones coming to Switzerland soon. We sorted out some cool cars for clients, so you'll see that stuff coming in later on. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.